next to the door with a broken heart and a temper like the fallen leaves. I want to have enough without you. My music, it needs you.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and that's a soundbar from GOVO. It's a 5.1 soundbar. Here you can see that's a GOVO logo right there on the left side, and these are the channel speakers, and subwoofer is right beside me. So in today's video, I'm gonna open this thing and check what inside of it and the circuitry and drivers and all. So let's start with the main unit, this soundbar first. Then I'll open the surrounds and the subwoofer also. So let's start. Okay, so that's the main circuit board, the amplifier and everything. Here the input, output and all. So this small ICs, they are the amplifier chips, I guess. 1 2 3 4. So 4 are there. If I guess one IC for 2 channel, then 2 for 4 channel, and then the one for center and one for subwoofer, I guess so. I'm not sure though. So these are the speaker output. That's for the right channel, and that's for the left channel, and that's for the center channel, because it's marked here C, front left and front right. That's it. And this ribbon kind of wear, white ones, this is for the front display. Right there you can see that kit right there. That's the front display. And that one is for the controls on the right side. Here the buttons are there. I'm not sure, only 2 words are going on the right side, nothing else. So now let's take a look at the front. So that's the display right there at the middle, and beside that, that's a center speaker. Well, the center speaker is not at the center. The display is at the center. The speaker should be here, and this display could be here on the place of the speaker. So that would work great, but that's okay. That's how they made it. And here can see, as I told you, that's the center speaker, and that's the left speaker, and also ear passing port is there. That's for center speaker, that's for left speaker. And here, that's the right speaker, and that's the ear passing port for that, and that's the center speaker. So you can see the distance from the distance of the center speaker from the right speaker and from the left speaker. This is close to the left speaker and very far from the right speaker, which is not that great. It should have been here at the middle, but anyway, the speakers are 2.5 inch, something like that, and quality here looks good. So I'm just going to remove this one, the center one, to show you the speaker driver. So here you can see that's the center speaker, and the speaker is very small, but the magnet size is good enough. It's like a 3-inch speaker driver, and only the impedance is mentioned there, 8 ohms, but the wattage is not mentioned there, but the magnet quality is good. Alright, so now let's check this surround speaker. The nice thing is that you can move the top and the bottom. As the bottom, it's removable, and the top also, and removing the grill is very easy. Just push a bit from one side and it will come off. And the speaker driver is the same, just like the main unit, so I'm not removing this. Alright, now let's check the main unit, the subwoofer, of course. So as I told you in the unboxing video, the SMPS is right there inside the subwoofer. So that's why they can make the soundbar very slim, because only the speaker drivers and the amplifier kit is there. No SMPS is right there, because if you put the SMPS in the soundbar, then you gotta make some more space and also ventilation and all like that. But they cleverly put this thing inside the subwoofer unit, so huge space is there inside of it, and that's the output going from here. That's the output going from here, and that's where for the subwoofer. So here inside you can see that's the subwoofer. The magnet is quite big in size, and the impedance is 4 ohms. And also I can see it's written there 133 watt. So the subwoofer driver is of 33 watt, and it's a 5.25 inch driver, and that's the ear passing port right there. So that's it.